Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports. Today's news: Mega container ship aground in Suez Canal updates. Ultra-large container vessel Evergreen ran aground in Suez Canal north of Suez, at around 0600 UTC 23, shortly after entering canal in northbound convoy. As of 1440 UTC 23, the giant ship was still aground with tugs attempting to refloat her. Traffic reportedly is blocked in both directions. Evergreen is en route from Yantian, China to Rotterdam. Mar 240415 UTC update, still aground, traffic blocked. Canal authorities hope the ship will be refloated during the day. Mar 24. Containership Evergreen, IMO 9,811,000, GT 219,079, capacity 20,388 2. Built 2018, Flag Panama, Manager Higaki Song Yokasha Limited, Equases.